this is Wilma Malubis again. Today I'm gonna show you how to update your Star Mobile Lite to B.10 to update to B.15. First is press the button, something like this. Okay? Wait, turn off your phone. Turn off. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. And just watch my previous movie, my video on my channel. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. Then press again the button, then the power button up, something like this. First you're gonna go to recovery mode. Press this one. After that, press again this, then choose the apply update SD card. Press this again to be okay. Then choose where your files, and just where is that file? Okay, there you have it at the top. Yes, press again this to be update. Let's say install SD card. Just wait for a few seconds. It's my first time to update this phone, so I just don't know if this becomes successful, but let's try to see. As you see, it's installing my, you see there, it's installing the SD card.